When we step into a kitchen, the first thing that often catches our eye is the cabinets. They're not just boxes with shelves, doors, and drawers. They're the heart of the kitchen's design and functionality. Cabinets set the tone for the room, and they can make or break the space's overall feel. In recent years, we've seen a shift in cabinet trends. Homeowners are moving away from the standard and embracing designs that reflect their personal style and meet their specific needs. Whether it's open shelving for a more relaxed look or sleek, handleless units for a modern vibe, there's a world of options out there. This video will dive into the latest kitchen cabinet ideas, showcasing styles that are both practical and stylish. From the timeless elegance of traditional designs to the clean lines of contemporary looks, we'll explore how the right cabinets can transform your kitchen into a space that's as beautiful as it is functional. So, let's get started on this journey to find the perfect cabinets for your home's most cherished space. Cabinet styles. Choosing the right style for your kitchen cabinets is like picking the perfect outfit for a special occasion. It should reflect your taste and fit the event. In the world of kitchen design, cabinets are the wardrobe of your cooking space, and there are styles to suit everyone's fashion sense. Traditional shaker-style cabinets are like the classic white shirt, simple, versatile, and never out of fashion. With their clean lines and practical design, they work well in just about any kitchen, whether you're going for a cozy country feel or something more modern. Modern minimalist cabinets are the sleek black dress of the kitchen. They're all about less being more. With their uncluttered appearance and hidden handles, they bring a sense of calm and order to the heart of the home. They're perfect for those who love a contemporary look that's both stylish and straightforward. Retro contemporary cabinets are the vintage jeans that are back in style, comfortable, familiar, yet somehow fresh and exciting. They mix elements from the past with modern touches to create a look that's both nostalgic and new. These cabinets are ideal for those who want to add character and a bit of history to their kitchen without sacrificing modern convenience. Each cabinet style brings its own personality to your kitchen. Just like in fashion, the key is to choose what you love and what makes you feel at home. After all, the best style is the one that makes you happy every time you walk into the room. Color and finish. The colors and finishes on your kitchen cabinets are like the paint on a canvas. They bring your kitchen to life. Here's how you can use them to create a space that's uniquely yours. Bold finishes are the statement pieces of your kitchen. Just like a splash of color can liven up a painting, a vibrant cabinet finish can energize your space. Think of a bright red or a deep blue that pops and makes your kitchen stand out. It's a daring choice, but one that can pay off beautifully. Two-toned cabinets are the harmonious duets in the symphony of your kitchen's design. They pair two colors together, like white and gray or black and wood tones, to add depth and interest. This style is like having the best of both worlds. It's balanced, yet bold, and it can make your kitchen look modern and inviting. Custom color choices are your personal signature. It's about choosing a color that speaks to you, whether it's a soft pastel or a rich jewel tone. This is where you can get creative and express your style. It's like choosing the perfect accessories for your favorite outfit. They complement the look and show off your personality. Remember, the right color and finish can transform your kitchen from ordinary to extraordinary. So, don't be afraid to experiment and find the combination that feels just right for you. After all, your kitchen is a reflection of your taste and your home's heart. Innovative storage solutions. In the heart of every home, the kitchen needs to be a master of multitasking, and that's where innovative storage solutions come in. They're the secret ingredients that make your kitchen work smarter, not harder. Maximizing space is all about making every inch count. Full-height cabinets stretch up to the ceiling, giving you extra shelves to store those seldom-used items. Corner solutions, like lazy Susans or pull-out shelves, turn awkward spaces into functional storage. It's like finding hidden rooms in your house you never knew you had. Open shelving is the breath of fresh air for your kitchen. It invites you to display your favorite dishes and glasses, making them easy to reach and adding a personal touch to the space. Think of it as your kitchen's open wardrobe, where everything is on display and nothing is hidden away. Glass front cabinets combine the best of both worlds. They protect your items from dust and grease while letting you showcase your fine china or quirky mugs. It's like having a protective display case that keeps your treasures safe and sound. These storage solutions are more than just places to stash your stuff. They're clever designs that make your kitchen more efficient and enjoyable to use. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a microwave maestro, your kitchen can be organized in a way that suits your lifestyle perfectly. And that wraps up our journey through the world of kitchen cabinet ideas. Remember, whether you're renovating or just dreaming of your future kitchen, the cabinets you choose can truly reflect your style and transform your space. If you found inspiration today, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Hopeful Decor for more tips on making your home a place of beauty and comfort. Keep decorating, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video.